Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings and you click here in this page. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter. Here in this page you click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite, you can uninstall your app, and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.